Welcome friends, this is Think Electronic Circuits and welcome to new tutorial on LED blink. I will be using GPIOs of Stm32 using STM32 generate a code in Kyle, and then I will be using it to toggle the LED which is on board the STM32 nuclear board. So for this, first select the QMX, launch the app. Now select the MCU you want to use. Takes time to load because it is a heavy software. So the window has been opened. So select the microcontroller you are using. I have Stm32L476 board on a controller on the board. Select the microcontroller, double click on it, and the project will be generated. So the QMX project is open. For comfortable view, adjust the zoom in and zoom out option. As you know, we have PA5 pin of the PA5 pin have the onboard LED connected to this pin. If you have any other pin to which LED is connected, you can configure that pin as GPI output. So I will just select it as GPI output. Then go to clock configuration, select the clock. By default, you don't need to make any changes. Then go to project manager, give a project name. I will give it as LED STM32 cube and select the tool chain for ID. I am using Keel Macrovision 5. There are also other options you can use. Then generate the code. The code is generating. So it is asking for opening the project. So open the project. Then Keel ID will be opened. The necessary settings already done. ID. As you can see, its logo is showing up. So it has been opened. So you can see the name you have given is here, showing up here. Maximize the window. Now you need to make changes only in this option, the application user option. Select it, go to main. You can also make some addition if you want here in this file. We will go to main, find where the main is. So we want to toggle the LED on PA5 pin. This is our main function. This is the while loop. So we want it to be continuously toggling the LED. So what we will do, first we need a PI or a function call which can toggle the LED. So go to function on the left side of the window, search for GPIO option. So these functions which will be using for GPIO will be visible. So these are the functions. So you want to write something on the pin, so we'll be using this function, GPIO write. So just right here, same as that function, GPIO write pin. Select the drop down option. It will be automatically visible on the right. Now you need to give the name of the port. GPIO A it was, and pin number was GPIO pin 5, and the state was GPIO pin set. So using this you can make that pin which is connected to LED as high. After that, give some delay of around 100 milliseconds. All delay. After that, write a low on the pin. So just copy this function and write instead of set, write a reset. Reset means low and set means high. And after that, give a delay of another 100 milliseconds. Can decrease or increase this delay. Suppose I want to make it for 1000 milliseconds. So now the program is done. Need to compile the code. Go to project and build target. The build output window is showing. It will show errors if the program is not built properly, and there are compilation errors. Let it take its time to build. if you have make a project which is new, it will take first, if you are building it for the first time, it will take time for building. If you are building it second or third time after making some changes, it will take lesser time. So first time it's take usually much time. Still building. So it is successfully built. Zero errors and zero warnings are there. So it has been built successfully. Now to check it, connect your microcontroller board through USB of the PC, and this is the first. You need to make some settings. Go to debug and make sure ST-Link debugger is selected if you are using a nuclear board. If you are using any other debugger, you can make settings according to it. Different options are there. So go to this option, flash option is there. You download the code into the microcontroller. It is erasing, yes, it has successfully been downloaded. So LED is blinking, and for your view, just what I will do, go to debug option, go to start stop debug session. This is I am telling the way how to debug the code, how to see what is happening in your registers, what is happening in your peripherals. Peripherals means GPIOs, 5TCs, UARTs, UARTs, etc. These are the peripherals. Go to peripheral, go to system viewer, and select the GPIO you are using. So I am using GPIO A, and I want to see GPIO A 5 pin power. So the register name is ODR. I want to look for. So ODR is this one. This one is the ODR register. So what you will see? You will see the PA5 pin off and on. The tick will be go up, and again it will come again. So it will be selected, and one time it will not be selected. So go to debug option and select the run. It will continuously run the code. So as you can see, this PA5 or the ODR5, it is the name of the register, and this bit is toggling. Is one time it is selected, other time it is not selected. So same thing I am seeing here in the hardware. The LED is toggling. Thank you. This was for today. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe for my channel and keep watching for more new videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.